Ako si Cedric. Tamad ako pero tamad talaga ako. Tinatamad ako kasi inaantok na ako. Matutulog na sana ako pero naalala ko may gagawin pa pala ako experiment. For this experiment, we need the ball, needle, and any amount of water that can fill the ball. In this stage, just carefully put the needle in the water so that the needle can float. It took me for 6 seconds just to successfully put it in the water. There you go. When a needle is carefully placed in water, it would continue to float even if its density is greater than water. The main reason is that the force due to surface tension that the water exerts is greater than the weight of the needle. However, the needle will sink when the water is agitated, since the needle will eventually break the surface of water. When the needle is covered with grease, the needle is not able to break the surface of the water. This is primarily because grease lowers the surface tension of the needle enough that molecules of water can't get in contact with the needle's surface. In this manner, the needle will float.